Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to change or fix the active signal mode on Windows 11. This can help you if your screen resolution looks wrong, your monitor is not using the correct refresh rate, or your display looks blurry. So let's get started. So firstly, right click on desktop, then click on display settings, open display settings. Now scroll down and open advanced display. Here you will see, here you will select the monitor you want to change, especially if you are using more than one display. So I'm using only one display, so I did not select anything, it's already selected. So now check active signal mode. Now you will see information like desktop mode, active signal mode. Active signal mode shows the actual resolution and refresh rate being sent to your monitor. Here you will see, to change it, look for, choose a refresh rate. Here it is. Then you will change it to, select the correct refresh rate like 60 hertz, 75 or 120 hertz. So I already have maximized. You already choose 60 hertz. It's depending on your monitor. Now change resolution. Now go back to display settings. Under display resolution, here you will see adjust resolution. Now drop click on the drop down menu. Usually Windows shows the best option with recommended it, right written next to it. Here it is, recommended. Now apply the changes. It will already apply all the changes successfully. If you see anything difference in between that, you can do all these settings. So that's it. This is how you can change or fix active signal mode in Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.